For artists and DIY creators, finding the perfect way to bring designs to life on natural wood is a true journey. Today, we are exploring how our compact UV laser marking machine serves as the ultimate creative tool for customizing natural rustic wooden slices with incredible precision. Unlike traditional burning tools that can be messy and hard to control, this advanced technology acts like a digital paintbrush. It allows DIY studios and crafters to transfer highly detailed graphics and complex line art onto organic surfaces in just a few minutes. The magic behind this process is the UV laser's cold marking capability. Standard high-heat lasers often leave heavy soot, ugly charring, and burnt edges on delicate wood. But the UV laser bypasses the heat entirely, vaporizing the surface material instantly to keep your crafts clean. This means you get flawless, high-contrast details and clean, beautiful lines with absolutely no burn smudges or messy residue. Your finished pieces look incredibly professional, capturing the natural warmth of the wood while displaying museum-quality aesthetics. This means you get flawless, high-contrast details and clean, beautiful lines with absolutely no burn smudges or messy residue. Your finished pieces look incredibly professional, capturing the natural warmth of the wood while displaying museum-quality aesthetics. This incredible precision opens up endless possibilities for custom product lines. You can easily create personalized wedding favors, rustic home decor, custom Christmas ornaments, unique keychains, or beautifully detailed brand logos on a wide variety of wooden items. Whether you are running a small Etsy shop, a busy design studio, or a local craft business, this versatile setup allows you to scale up your production easily while maintaining the authentic, heartwarming touch of handmade artistry. Every single piece comes out as a unique masterpiece, ready to delight your customers and elevate your brand value. It is the perfect investment to stand out in the crowded custom crafts market and turn your creative ideas into high-value products. Ready to take your DIY craft business to the next level with our premium UV laser solutions? Contact us today to get your free custom quote.